You're sitting in a hospital hallway. The lights are bright. The beeping from the dialysis machines echoes down the corridor. You look down at your feet. They're swollen again. You've been feeling more tired lately, but you told yourself it was just aging. Then the doctor walks in. His voice is calm, but the words hit hard. Your kidneys are failing. You'll need dialysis. Just like that, your life changes. 3 times a week. Hours at a time. Every week. Forever. And the worst part is, it didn't have to happen this way. Most people don't know their kidneys are in trouble until it's too late. There's no pain. No obvious warning. Just slow, silent damage. But here's the truth. In many cases, kidney failure can be delayed. Even reversed. And sometimes, it starts with something as simple as what you drink each day. Right now, more than 786,000 Americans are living on dialysis. That number keeps growing. And here's what's even more alarming: 9 out of 10 of them had no idea their kidneys were failing. Not until it was almost too late to do anything about it. No warning. No second chance. That's how silent this disease can be. But what if you could catch it earlier? What if you could slow it down, or even reverse it? Most people miss the window. Not because they're careless, but because no one ever told them the signs. And no one ever told them that what they drink every day could quietly make things better, or much worse. But here's the good news. This isn't the end of the story. Because what you drink each day doesn't just hydrate you, it sends a message to your kidneys. That message can either wear them down or help them recover. In this video, you're going to learn about 8 simple drinks, backed by science, proven to help cleanse your kidneys, lower creatinine levels, and in many cases, help people avoid dialysis altogether. This isn't a miracle cure. It's not a fad. It's real. And it starts with small changes you can make right now, right from your own kitchen. Let me ask you something. Have you ever started your day with lemon water? A lot of people think it's just a trendy health ritual. But if you're over 50, this simple drink might be one of the most powerful ways to protect your kidneys before problems begin. When you squeeze fresh lemon into warm water, you release something called citric acid. That's not just for flavor. Citric acid binds to calcium in your urine, helping to break down and prevent kidney stones. And here's the catch: most stones don't cause pain until they're already doing damage. Over half of kidney stones are completely silent until it's too late. Now, when you add a pinch of pink Himalayan salt, you're not just seasoning your water. You're giving your body over 80 trace minerals, magnesium, potassium, calcium, that help regulate fluid balance and reduce low-grade acidity in your blood. That acidity builds up quietly as kidney function declines, forcing your kidneys to work harder day after day. This drink does 2 powerful things. It helps prevent stones from forming, and it helps reduce the acid load your kidneys are struggling to manage. Here's how to make it. Squeeze half a lemon into about 8 ounces of warm, not hot, filtered water. Add just a small pinch of pink Himalayan salt. Stir well, and sip slowly on an empty stomach first thing in the morning. If you're already doing this, good. If not, this is one of the easiest habits you can start, and it could save your kidneys from silent damage. If warm lemon water helps open the door to kidney cleansing, this next drink helps your kidneys do the heavy lifting, gently, but powerfully. Most people throw this away without a second thought. But you shouldn't. Corn silk, those soft, golden threads you find when peeling fresh corn, is far more than just farm waste. It's been used in traditional medicine for centuries to release swelling, flush toxins, and support urinary health. And now, modern studies confirm it works. If you've ever noticed your feet swelling at the end of the day, or waking up feeling puffy and heavy, that's not just age. It's your kidneys struggling to keep up. Corn silk tea acts as a mild, natural diuretic. It helps your body release excess fluid, improves urine flow, and reduces the buildup of uric acid, one of the key toxins that overwork your kidneys and lead to conditions like gout and even kidney stones. What's most dangerous is how easily this all goes unnoticed. You feel tired, swollen, achy, but you don't realize your kidneys are the ones waving the red flag. That's why corn silk tea matters, not next year, not someday, but now. And it couldn't be easier. Just boil a small handful of dried corn silk in water for about 10 to 15 minutes. Strain and drink 1 to 2 cups a day, ideally in the afternoon when fluid retention peaks. If you've ever used corn silk before, tell me in the comments. I want to know what worked for you. And if this is new to you, let me ask you, why wait until your doctor says you need dialysis to take action? Don't miss the window to protect your kidneys while you still can. Now that you've helped your kidneys release excess fluid with corn silk, it's time to take things one step deeper. Because your kidneys don't just move water, they also have to clean your blood. And that's where dandelion root comes in. You've probably seen dandelions growing wild in the yard. Most people treat them like weeds. But their roots hold powerful compounds that support detoxification right at the source. Studies show dandelion root can increase urine output by up to 30%, giving your kidneys a stronger flush to clear out waste products like urea nitrogen. That's one of the key markers doctors look at when measuring kidney stress. When it builds up in your blood, it means your kidneys are falling behind. But dandelion root doesn't just make you urinate more. It also contains antioxidants that protect the tiny blood vessels inside your kidneys, the ones responsible for filtering every drop of blood in your body. As we age, those vessels start to harden and scar. That scarring is called fibrosis. And once it sets in, filtration slows down even faster. Dandelion helps keep those filters soft, flexible, and working the way they're supposed to, not overloaded, not inflamed, and not shutting down. To make it, boil 1 teaspoon of chopped dandelion root in about 1.5 cups of water for 10 minutes. Then let it steep for another 5. Drink it once a day, between meals, when your body isn't busy digesting food. If you've ever felt sluggish, bloated, or just off for no clear reason, your kidneys may be the missing piece. Dandelion root gives them a chance to reset naturally. At this point, your kidneys are flushing better. But flushing alone isn't enough, especially if damage is already happening inside. If you've ever been told your creatinine levels are high, or if you've seen uric acid rising on your lab results, that's your warning sign. That means your kidneys aren't filtering like they used to. And if nothing changes, those numbers will only get worse. That's where nettle leaf tea can make a difference, not just for symptoms, but for the structure of your kidneys themselves. Nettle works deep inside the filtration units of your kidneys, the glomeruli. Think of them as tiny sieves that clean your blood. Over time, inflammation and stress cause these filters to scar and harden. That scarring, called fibrosis, is what eventually pushes people toward dialysis. But nettle has a unique ability. It helps lower creatinine and reduce inflammation before that scarring becomes permanent. It even helps clear out excess uric acid, protecting you from gout flare-ups, joint pain, and dangerous buildup in the kidneys. It's gentle. It's safe. And it's one of the few natural remedies that directly protects the physical architecture of your kidneys, the very part of you that keeps your blood clean every hour of every day. To make it, steep 1 teaspoon of dried nettle leaf in hot water for about 10 minutes. You can drink it in the morning and again before bed. It's simple. But here's the thing, most people wait too long. They wait for their creatinine to spike. They wait until they feel exhausted or swollen or scared. Don't wait. Start now. And if you've already tried nettle tea, let me know in the comments, how did it make you feel? Because this isn't about trends. It's about saving what matters before it slips away. If nettle tea helps protect your kidney filters, this next drink works like a shield on a cellular level, guarding your kidneys from the inside out. Blueberries and parsley. Simple ingredients. But together, they form a powerful kidney protector. Blueberries are packed with anthocyanins, antioxidants that help fight oxidative stress, one of the biggest drivers of kidney aging. A study published in the Clinical Journal of the American Society of Nephrology found that people with high anthocyanin intake had a 36% lower risk of chronic kidney disease progression. That's not a small number. That's a life-changing difference. Parsley adds a different kind of power. It acts as a natural cleanser. It supports gentle diuresis, helping your body flush toxins without draining energy, and it delivers nutrients like vitamin C and folate, which supports your kidneys' ability to repair themselves. To make it, drop a small handful of fresh blueberries and a few sprigs of parsley into cold, filtered water. Let it infuse in the fridge for 2 to 3 hours. Then sip it slowly throughout the day. It's refreshing, it's anti-inflammatory, and it helps your kidneys without any pressure or strain. And if you're finding this video helpful so far, take a second right now to subscribe to the channel. We're building a community for people who want to stay ahead of illness, not wait for bad news. If you're over 50, or if you're supporting a loved one who is, this is the place to learn how to take back control one habit at a time. Now, let's move on to drink number 3, a deep red herbal tea that does more than lower blood pressure. It may help restore blood flow directly into your kidneys. If you have high blood pressure, your kidneys are under constant attack. That pressure doesn't just affect your heart, it silently wears down your kidneys' ability to filter blood. That's why hibiscus tea matters. This bright red flower does more than look beautiful in a cup. Hibiscus naturally relaxes your blood vessels, helping lower systolic blood pressure gently, without the crash of medication. And when your blood pressure comes down, your kidneys finally get a break. But it doesn't stop there. Hibiscus is also rich in antioxidants that protect and repair the epithelial cells lining your kidneys, the delicate barrier responsible for filtering waste. When these cells break down, protein leaks into your urine. That's often one of the first signs of kidney disease. This tea helps restore that layer. It gives your kidneys the chance to recover from years of quiet strain. To make it, steep 1 tablespoon of dried hibiscus petals in hot water for 10 to 15 minutes. The longer you steep, the richer the color and the stronger the effect. You can add a slice of lemon or a drop of raw honey, just don't overdo the sugar. If you've tried hibiscus tea before, let me know in the comments. How did it make you feel? And if you're trying it for the first time, ask your question down below. I'll respond and help you get the most out of it. Because this isn't just about drinking tea. It's about doing it right and doing it consistently, so your kidneys get the support they've needed for years. Let's move on to drink number 2, a green powerhouse that binds toxins and may actually help rebuild kidney tissue. Most people have never heard of it. Your kidneys weren't just built to filter out extra salt or sugar. They work around the clock to remove heavy metals, the kind that don't show up in a simple blood test, but slowly build up in your body over years. Lead, cadmium, mercury. These toxic elements hide in processed food, cookware, even the air we breathe. And over time, they lodge themselves deep in kidney tissue, damaging the very cells that keep your blood clean. Chlorella is different. This tiny green freshwater algae binds to heavy metals and toxins, helping your body pull them out safely. In one study, participants who used chlorella showed a 66% reduction in kidney metal accumulation. That's not just detox. That's repair. But here's the thing, it's powerful. So you have to start slow. Dissolve half a teaspoon of chlorella powder in a large glass of water and drink it on an empty stomach, ideally in the morning. Then follow it with a second glass of clean water to help flush everything through. If you're new to it, start with even less, maybe a quarter teaspoon. Let your body adjust over a few days. Some people may feel lightheaded or tired the first time. That's not a bad sign, it means toxins are moving. But it's important to pace yourself. Have you ever used chlorella before? If you have, let us know how your body responded. And if you've never heard of it until now, drop a question in the comments, I'll walk you through it, step by step. This is one of the most overlooked tools for kidney support, and most people won't hear about it from their doctor. But now you have. And you know what to do. Up next, the drink ranked number 1, and it's been quietly healing kidneys for centuries. If you tried only one drink from this list, let it be this one. Barley water may be one of the most powerful and most overlooked natural ways to support your kidneys. It's been used for centuries in traditional medicine, and now modern research is proving what ancient cultures already knew. So what makes it so special? Barley is rich in beta-glucans, a type of soluble fiber that does far more than support digestion. Inside your kidneys, beta-glucans help reduce creatinine levels and improve filtration. That means your kidneys are able to do their job more efficiently, cleaning waste from your blood before it builds up and causes damage. Barley water also reduces urinary oxalates, the compounds responsible for forming kidney stones. One study published in the International Journal of Green Pharmacy found that patients drinking barley water daily experienced a 62% drop in oxalate levels. That's a huge deal because oxalate buildup doesn't just cause stones. It causes silent inflammation that slowly scars your kidney tissue. And here's what most people don't realize: barley water doesn't just flush. It balances minerals like magnesium and potassium, reduces swelling, and helps prevent the vascular calcification that often leads to long-term kidney decline. Making it is simple. Rinse half a cup of whole barley, then boil it in about 4 cups of water. Let it simmer for 30 to 40 minutes. Once it cools, strain out the grains and sip the water throughout the day. You can add a slice of lemon or a pinch of cinnamon if you like, but the power is in the simplicity. Have you ever tried barley water before? Let me know in the comments. If this is new to you, tell me, are you willing to give it a try this week? Because if there's one daily habit that can quietly improve kidney function, reduce risk, and give you more control over your health, this might be it. And remember, consistency matters. It's not what you drink once. It's what you do every day that protects your kidneys for the long run. If all of this feels like a lot, take a breath. You don't have to do everything at once. Start with just one drink. Pick the one that fits your life. The one that feels doable. Maybe it's lemon water in the morning. Maybe it's barley water throughout the day. Maybe it's corn silk tea to ease swelling. It doesn't matter which you choose, what matters is that you start. Because even one small habit done daily can shift your kidneys from stress to survival. These drinks aren't just hydration. They're tools. They give your kidneys a break. They help your body clean itself from the inside out. And here's the truth: a year from now, your kidneys will either be stronger or more damaged. The difference could be one glass of something better. So tell me in the comments, which drink are you going to try first? You've heard the options. You've seen the proof. Now it's your turn to act. Because one drink, just one, could change everything. Your kidneys are working for you every single day quietly, without signs, without symptoms. They're filtering your blood, protecting your heart, and cleaning up the damage life leaves behind. But they can't keep doing it alone. The truth is, most people don't realize there's a problem until the lab results turn red. By then, you're already deep in the danger zone. Don't wait for that moment. Prevention doesn't start with medication. It starts in your kitchen with what you drink every single day. So I want to hear from you. Scroll down and tell me in the comments, how old are you, and which drink are you going to try first? I'll respond with tips based on your age and your kidney health goals. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel right now. We're building a space for people who want real answers, not gimmicks, not fear, but real, actionable steps for better health. And before you leave, think of someone you love, someone who might be silently dealing with the early signs. Swelling, fatigue, brain fog. Share this video with them. It might be the message they need before it's too late. Don't wait for symptoms. Don't wait for a diagnosis. Take control while you still can.